So I wanted to do an update on the Writech retractable fountain pen, and this is how we're going. This has been in a pencil case with other pencils and pens, been chucked around in my bag. As you can see, there's a little bit of dirt basically on there from pencil leads, which has like stained the casing. You can get this off, I just haven't cleaned it yet. I like the really unusual mechanism for covering the nib section, so it's nice and sealed in there, and there's like this rubbery bit as well which provides a nice seal, and then when you press, this door moves up and then out. I thought that would get on my nerves and get in the way of me writing, but surprisingly it doesn't. And this pen has been chucked in a drawer for over a month, and as you can see, writes first time. It's got a fine nib, so this is a fine, but it's not like an unpleasant fine nib. I usually don't go for fine nibs because I don't like the scratchiness. Pen. Yeah, I don't usually go for fine nibs because I don't like the scratchiness, but this one's not too scratchy. Considering this only costs a couple of quid, it's actually a really nice pen to write with, and it's got a really good ink flow. It's currently got blue ink in it. This is Writech's cartridges that come with it, and it's in erasable blue. Apparently you can erase the ink. I'm just wondering if it's like a, I don't know what they mean by erasable, like whether it's gonna like a friction thing, like the like pilot the friction pens, or whether it's just I can rub it out with something. Haven't got like an eraser to hand, I don't think. Hold up. So I've got an eraser. I'm just going to have a look and see. I don't know. I'm not seeing a lot of difference there. I'm not sure. I know I've got one of them. I know I've got one of these pen things. Oh, okay. So see, with one of these ink erasers, it does erase really well, look. So that's probably what it means by erasable, is if you've got one of these, it will rub out quite well. So yeah, so it is erasable, because like if I use that on my diamond ink, as you can see, it just smudges it to death. So that does disappear with one of these eraser pens. So that's what it means by erasable. But yeah, it's a nice little pen. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel mega cheap, and it's got these two little sort of indents there which make it quite nice and comfortable to write with. And again, it's one I'm quite happy to just chuck in my bag, and I do really like that mechanism, and it seals really well. Like I tend to just leave my pens inked in a drawer and then rotate between which ones I'm using. If it dries out, it dries out, because at least it gives me a good idea to know which pens are sealing properly. So I do like to just leave them chucked in my drawer. I've got like a plastic acrylic set of drawers with pens in like this, and I just leave them and see which ones dry out, which ones don't. The ones where obviously they don't seal properly or they dry out, then obviously I would empty them and store them empty. But most of my other pens, considering they're cheap, they're fine. I just chuck them in a drawer with ink in and have no problems. So yeah, this is still doing great, and I've had it a while now, so like I said, it's been loafing around in my pencil case, and yeah, great little writer, nice and cheap. So yeah, that's the Writech retractable fountain pen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.